Hello students, today we are going to start electromagnetic fields. Electromagnetic fields. So in this we are having electromagnetic fields. So here we are having two words, electric field and magnetic field. The combination of this electric and magnetic interaction between the electric and magnetic fields gives you electromagnetic field. So before going to the in detail about what is a field, what is the electric field and what is magnetic field, let us see the syllabus what we are having. So this is the syllabus for your electromagnetic fields. Your code is W2103 and this is your unit 1. The unit 1 includes the review of vector calculus. It means that before starting your electromagnetic field subject, we need to know what is a vector, what is a scalar and its related operations like addition, subtraction. And in the unit 1 we are going to see the components of vectors, scalar and vector multiplications, triple product, three orthogonal coordinate systems, rectangular, cylindrical, spherical, and vector calculus, differentiation, partial differentiation, something like. And actual topic starts from your second unit. That is your second unit deals with your electrostatistics. Third unit, conductor, dielectric, and boundary conditions. I have included this syllabus in the LMS. And your fourth unit includes your magnetostatistics, and the fifth unit is electromagnetic waves. This electromagnetic field, it is a subject helpful for your electronics and electrical students. For electrical students, we consider the transmission lines. For transferring electromagnetic fields, we consider transmission lines. In electronic students, electromagnetic fields are transmitted through the air. So let us see what is a field. What is a field? And the sub book for this one is textbooks is Sadiko, Elements of Electromagnetics, and you're having a Pramanic Electromagnetism. So the standard book is Sadiko. So you can refer this Sadiko book. Soon I'll upload the book Sadiko book in the LMS. So let us see field. What is a field? F-I-E-L-D. What is a field? A field is a function. Field is nothing but it is a function of a particular quantity. A field is a function of particular quantity. Field is a function. Field is a function. Field is a function that specifies. Field is a function that specifies a particular quantity. A particular quantity. Field is a function that specifies a particular quantity everywhere in a region. Everywhere in a region. This is a standard definition for field. So a field is a function that specifies a particular quantity everywhere in a region. So generally we come across with the field like a cricket field. So a cricket field is nothing but, so on earth it is a particular area. So if you consider a cricket field, we say that cricket field. A cricket field is nothing but it is a particular area which is defined over the earth, which is having some wickets and players. So it is a bounded area. So a field is a function that specifies particular quantity. So this is called as a, if it is related to cricket, that is called as cricket field. If it is related to, if the field is related to electric, that is called as electric field. If the field is related to magnetic, that is called as magnetic field. So simply a field is nothing but which specifies a particular quantity. So here this field specifies the cricket players, wickets, ball, how it is going, how it is thrown. So overall it defines about the play, the cricket play it defines. So what is the electromagnetic field? Electromagnetic field is nothing but, then what is the electromagnetic field? Electromagnetic field is nothing but the field which is related to electro and magnetics. Electromagnetic field. Then what is electromagnetic field? It is produced by, electromagnetic field is nothing but it is produced by, interaction of, it is produced by interaction of time varying, interaction of time varying, it is produced by interaction of time varying electric and magnetic fields. Electric and magnetic fields. It means that the field which is produced by interaction of time varying electric and magnetic fields, that is called as electromagnetic field. Let us see a basics. Voltage. When a voltage produces an electric field, voltage produces electric field, voltage produces electric field. Time varying electric field produces magnetic field. Time varying electric field produces magnetic field. So voltage produces a electric field, time varying electric field produces a magnetic field. It means that simply we can say that electric field produces magnetic field. If electric field is static, produces a static magnetic field. If electric field is time varying, then it produces time varying magnetic field. Similarly, time varying magnetic field, time varying magnetic field produces electric field. So voltage produces an electric field. The time varying electric field produces magnetic field. Time varying magnetic field produces electric field. So we'll see these all things in detail. Just these are the statements only. So what we are going to see. So if you consider a time varying electric field produces magnetic field, if you consider this is a basic subject for your machines also. So while discussing your transformer, we have considered that the time varying flux produces an EMF. When it links with the core, it produces an EMF. That is the time varying magnetic field produces an electric field. So for this one, for electromagnetic fields, we need to know what is. So in this chapter, we are going to see static fields, static electric fields, static electric fields, static electric fields, static magnetic fields, static magnetic fields, electromagnetic fields. Then we are going to see electromagnetic fields. And we are going to see the propagation of these fields. Propagation. We are going to see the propagation of these fields. Propagation of these fields. So to analyze these static electric fields, static magnetic fields, electromagnetic fields, and propagation of fields, we need to know initially the vectors. We have to know what is a vector and what is a scalar and its related terms. So that's why in our chapter it is included. The first unit is a review of your vector analysis. So in the next video, we are going to see what is a static electric field and static magnetic field. We'll continue the introduction part and then we'll start your vector topic, the review of your vector analysis. Thank you.